Hello, I'm Martin Smith and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today we'll cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. The euro declined for the first time in 6 weeks against the US dollar as reports indicate that the region's economy is still struggling amid the debt crisis. The US Central Bank vowed to keep its target for overnight loans between banks close to zero until the middle of 2015. Yields on Spanish and Italian bonds declined from highs in July after Draghi, the ECB's president, said that they would purchase government debt to help make borrowing costs for European countries sustainable. The euro was last trading at 129.79, an increase of 0.09%. The British pound increased for a 7th week versus the US dollar on speculation that the UK economy may recover from the recession as the Federal Reserve expands monetary easing. Reports indicated that UK inflation slowed and retail sales declined. The pound was last trading at 162.28, an increase of 0.09%. The Canadian dollar fell for the first time in 4 weeks against the US dollar on concern that the global economy might be slowing, decreasing investor appetite for higher yielding assets. Economic reports coming out of the USA, Europe and China indicated that growth may well be slowing. The Canadian dollar was last trading at 0.9757, a decrease of 0.10%. The Australian dollar advanced on prospects that the US Federal Reserve will support growth and that Europe is making some progress towards a resolution of its debt crisis, increasing demand for high-yielding assets. The Australian dollar was last trading at 104.55, an increase of 0.20%. In commodities, oil advanced on optimism that stimulus by the central bank will stimulate the global economy, ending the biggest weekly decline in oil prices in more than 3 months. Oil was last trading at $92.89 a barrel, an increase of 0.51%. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all of your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Martin Smith. Good luck and happy trading.